If you are one of those who knock, then when you see me, don't get shook. Just remember that they call me the female animal. That's what they call me.
I don't understand my job at times. Yeah. See, I'm not riding much anymore, so like every time I go to use my one wheel, it's like slowly depleted. You can see where all the tiny little leaks are from the slime oozing out. It just needs a quick refill and then it'll be alright. But honestly, I've like become such a recluse over the past year that I get just massive anxiety whenever I need to leave my flat now. Stupid. So I'm basically just going in today to essentially just pick up a package. It was meant to arrive months ago, but Brexit delays. And also we're thinking of doing a little bit of sprucing up of the office while everyone's out, with a little bit of redecoration. So I'm gonna get some reference images, have a look, see what's available, see what we can do. So I'm gonna do that while I'm in as well.
Do you remember the casting couch and the green couch?
Yeah.
It was nice because when people would come to the office,
That has somewhere to sit.
yeah, well, they'd automatically be like, can I speak to so-and-so? And I'd be like, yeah, no worries, I'll see if they're in. And automatically they'd sit down without anything. But now, people are just kind of like this.
What do I do?
So I don't know whether to, no, so these are the older ones, and the new ones are like gold all the way around, without the frame. So I think what would be a good idea is maybe getting rid of the Martin and Duncan and giving it to them if they want.
We'll catch up later.
Yeah, give that.
Oh. This will be fine. This will be fine. I've carried heavier stuff than this on a one wheel.
Okay. I do think it's a bad idea.
Okay, bye. Wow, it dwarfs my old boy. Buys a standing desk and still dives under to put in lamp. Basically, BenQ sent me this sexy lamp with a few conditions. One, that I make a video on it. B, that I tell you it's a bi-color lamp. So it goes both ways. 3, that I compare it to my old lamp. I mean that doesn't seem fair, does it? I mean, I just kind of wanted me to give my thoughts. I think it's a nice lamp. It's a nice lamp. I mean, is it enough that I'm replacing my old lamp? Is that what they want? They send me expensive lamp to shame my old lamp. Which one's that? It's actually super nice. It's actually super nice.